You know who it is. It's Lil Nas on the track. Let's get it. Woo! Bitch, you know I'm rolling up stupid blunts. Niggas on the set, I think they loading up them guns. Nigga acting foul, we gon' put him on the fucking spot. Took his fucking bitch, so you know I'm getting sloppy top. Never calling hoes back, so they gon' get they feelings hurt. Roll up to the front, nigga know I got my cup of perp. I got like too many bitches all up on me, just like I got too many niggas hitting me for treat. Bitch, I thought I told you I'm the motherfucking plug. All I do is make music and sell them motherfucking drugs. Never show these hoes love. Just pull up in an all-white fit, looking like a dub. Mixing that lean with the motherfucking Sprite. Take your bitch off your hands, now we fucking all night. Bitch, I'm throwing up this loud and my hands still sticky. I love two-stepping, but I might just hit my Ricky. When I'm cooking up the pot, ain't nothing to a real G. Always down the trunk, nigga, why you looking scary? I'm only in once, so a nigga don't gotta stress. Pass it right back, nigga, you can have what's left. Pull up 20 deep, bitch, it ain't nothing new. Probably catch me smashing off in my motherfucking Space Cooper. Titties jumped out as that money came in. She left with me and she bought her best friend. 3 sums I like, cause that shit multiplies. Just like that pack I flipped, I caught it loud, pack the light. Yeah. Making all these decisions got me thinking a while. She like me too much, yeah, she got me up speed dial. After I hop off the beat and I spit that heat, got your bitch at home waiting in the Versace sheets. It's all cool though, cause I give her right back. But one thing I never pass is my sticky pack. But why these niggas saying it's my return? It's probably me coming down off that line just bone. Count a few bands I made for finessing. Niggas hating on me cause bitches like how I'm flexing. All these bitches acting loose cause I got them off the goose. Too much greens in a blunt, choke me out like a noose. That's Uptown Murder, west side of Cali. Ridge Block is my set, nigga, I throw that shit up.